Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to the Daily Options Trade. Today is Expiration Day. You may not see it today. You may see it over the weekend. They have a few different accounts that I'm looking at. So, be sure to subscribe to catch all the updates from all my accounts and how to handle these options positions. Alright, we got Big 5. It's expiring next week. Disney. Also next week, expiration monthlies. GoEV is next week, I believe. Norwegian Cruise Lines next week. Palantir. Oh, we have one from Palantir today, expiring on June 11th. Let's see where we're at. Alright, so Palantir's been on a little bit of a run. Like I said in my other account. If you watched that video, go check it out. Alright, so it's within $1, but I sold that option for $3.75. So there's no way it's dropping that much today. It might drop 50 cents, maybe $1 at the most. And if I get put to stock, it's fine. But I'm very bullish on Palantir for the long term. Alright, so no action there. I'm just going to let it expire worthless and save on trading fees and get max profit, which is pretty good today, actually. I'm up a little bit in that one. Alright, Tattooed Chef is not until expiration is not until next week, and US Steel is not until next week. Alright guys, that's all I have for today for this account. Be sure to subscribe, catch all my updates, especially for next week when options expiration week. It's going to be a big one. I have to handle all these options that are in the money, out of the money, near the money, that kind of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys have any of these same stocks, if you need help with some options. This is not obviously investing advice, but it's good education. Alright guys, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Thanks for watching.